Hi everyone. I state my immense pleasure to give a presentation on this International Joint E-Conference, and I, K. Vanishri, research scholar from VIT Business School, Velur, Tamil Nadu, and co-authored by Dr. A. Seema, Assistant Professor, VIT Business School, VIT, Tamil Nadu. And my title is Impact of Green Human Resource Management Practices on Organizational Performance, Review of Literature. Green human resource management is one of the contemporary issue in the present business scenario. In the present day business environment, organizations have to react and to adapt new ecological challenges, and human resource management in the organization should venture to design and develop specific policies and rules for the benefit of the organization. Green practices and green HRM practices such as green recruitment and selection, green training and development, green rewards, green performance management, and green employee involvement will promote the social responsibility among employees by that it enhance the organizational performance. The main aim of the paper is to underpin the various aspects of green human resource management through a thorough review of literature available. In order to achieve the data and write down this review paper, reviewed the articles from 14 to 2020. This review paper aims to provide information on green human resource management practices and organization performance. So the research problem is a green human resource is the new trend in the contemporary competitive world. Organizations are realizing it's a huge exploitation of natural resources. To compensate that, they started to adapt green HRM practices in the organization and improve the corporate social responsibility. And without the proper green HRM practices, it is difficult to create and maintain sustainable environmental performance. And so firms are beginning to recognize that gaining a reputation as a green employer in the effective way to attract new talent and create awareness through green training and development, setting goals through green performances of employees, and design green rewards to motivate the employees and make employees to involve in the activities. Green HRM practices plays a predominant role in enhancing the organizational performance. Out of the researchers reviewed, a majority of them focused on the following 5 green HRM practices such as green recruitment and selection, green training and development, green rewards, green performance management, and green employee involvement to be implemented to enhance organizational performance. The present study comprehensively attempts to capture the impact of green HRM practices on a firm performance. This is the model of my study. It shows the impact of green HRM practices on organizational performance, where I have chosen as an independent variable is a green HRM practices, and here I have chosen organizational performance as my dependent variable. And here the author I choose reviewed the various articles from 2014 to 2020, and the authors they find out the relationship between green HRM practices and organizational performance, and based by reviewing all these 10 articles from the year 2014 to 2020, I found out that there is a positive and significant relationship between green HRM practices and on organizational performance, and it shows a positive impact on green HRM practices and organizational performances. And in this table, no researches were made with regard to the title in the year 2014, 2017, and in the year 2019, and in the year 2015, one research on green recruitment and selection, green training and development, and green performance management, and green employee involvement. And in the year 2016, 2 researchers on green recruitment and green training and development and green employee involvement, one each on green rewards and green performance management were made. And 2018, it witnessed a maximum number of researchers, that is 6 on green recruitment and selection, 5 on green rewards, and 4 on green training and development and green performance management, and no research is found on green employee involvement. And in the year 2020, 2 researchers on green recruitment and green training and development, and 1 research on green rewards, and no researchers are found on green performance management and green employee involvement. And this bar diagram depicts how the green HRM practices chosen for research to identify the impact on organizational performance from the year 2014 to 2020. The present bar diagram depicts the aforesaid table data is already mentioned. The bar diagram shows the maximum number of researchers was done in 2018, and the very least number of researchers was done in 2015, and the row researchers was found out in 2014, 17, and 2019. So this research have several practical implications for practitioners, managers, and organizations. So HR managers, in terms of green HRM practices, they are trying to implement the organization's vision about environmental management. So for organizations, it should appropriately appraise workers' green behavior and also align this behavior to promotional opportunities, pay and compensation, and encourage and motivate them to involve in green activities, which helps employees to contribute to green objectives. So for implementing green HRM practices, it requires organization to prepare a platform for green activities. For that, we require a support from the top management and executives, and the study would be helpful for the managers to apply green HRM practices effectively in organization. The study directs the managers that how wonderfully employees would be motivated towards the green issues significantly. And finally, the study found out of 5 green HRM practices, most of the researches were done on green recruitment and selection, green training and development, and green rewards, and few on green performance management and green employee involvement. On overall review of the literature, it is found out that green recruitment and selection, training and development, and green employee involvement showed positive impact on organizational performance. These are the references. Thank you.